Hi guys, I'm Aman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to build an RC Canon, but it will be a lot more powerful than the previous version. So yeah, let's just begin. So you'll need 2 of these yellow gear motors over here and 4 of these wheels. So guys, this is the RC and the battery. Actually a 3.7 volt battery, and it will be powering our Canon today. Yeah. So guys, this is a PVC card over here. We'll be using it for the base of our RC Canon. So guys, I'll be gluing one of the gear motors onto this PVC card. Yeah, so I'll be gluing it with the help of this super glue. Guys, I have attached the other motor onto the PVC card too, and yeah, just trying to wire the motors up. So guys, now that I'm done with the wiring, so let's just attach these 2 motors over here. So these 2 motors will act as ball bearings and will be responsible for the smooth movement of our RC Canon. Yeah, so let's just do that real quick. So guys, here's the wheel. Just gonna be putting it onto the motor, and yeah, that's so just gonna be gluing it onto this piece. So yeah, let's just do that now, and it will be right here like this. So guys, our robot is almost done, so just gonna put this rubber band onto these wheels. Yeah, just like that. Now do the same with the other side of the robot, of the Canon, and yeah. So guys, this is the design of the Canon, which just launches the bullet. So this is some tape which is holding this rubber band over here, and this blue thing is just a hollow tube, which is the Canon actually. Yeah, and this yellow rectangle is actually a gear motor, and this blue thing is a piece of thread which is attached to a metallic pin. Yeah, so it works like when the motor rotates, the pin comes down, thus releasing this mechanism, this upper launching mechanism, and the bullet launched just like that. So guys, our Canon is complete now, and we're just gonna test how it works. So guys, here's me trying to shoot these 2 absolute gentlemen over here. To be accurate, it's Goku and that other guy. I don't know his name. Yeah, who cares? We're just gonna shoot them, cause why not? And yeah, let's. So guys, now don't be a big fan of my control skills, cause I'm an absolute pro at this. So yeah, let's just shoot these 2 guys. These 2 cards actually. So yeah, let's just do that now. Sorry if you can't see their face, and obviously I'm not trying to align the Canon with the cards so I can shoot them. Yeah, just not trying to do it, and we just shot them. So just in case you didn't saw the bullet, I'm just gonna try it once more with a bigger bullet, and just gonna shoot these 2, and you can see Goku clearly this time. And yeah, and aligning the Canon with the cards is quite difficult with the remote control, because yeah, the motor is a little bit too fast. So just gonna shoot them, and yeah, we just shot them, and you obviously saw that one, right? Yeah, that's good for you.